That now, between the federal government and the provincial government, there's endless amounts, and if there's any interest, you've got Kim's got my contact information. I'm more than happy to introduce you to folks, because we've got provincial funding to work with the University of Alberta to develop a 2-day program to help our members expand their export development abilities. We've got funding from the Alberta government to host international networking breakfasts, where we've done Mexico, the U.S., and we're working on the U.K. right now, where there's opportunities for members to go. And again, it's funding. And then PSAC has an MOU signed with the federal government, where we have a senior trade commissioner from Global Affairs Canada embedded in our office. It's been going on, I signed that just about right when I started, so about 7 years now. The intent there is that the federal government gets a finger on the pulse of oilfield services in Canada, and we in turn get access to Trade Commissioner Services offices around the world. So Global Affairs Canada, the government of Alberta with respect to the training, and then being allowed to or being invited to go on different missions around the world to represent Alberta and the technologies. And then the Economic Development Bank of Canada, a good resource. They have funding available for companies, ATB, Business Development Canada, and the Canadian Commercial Corporation. Every one of these has different levels of funding, and they have business support, business development, and different levels of risk areas where